If you like Bailey's Irish Cream, you're probably wondering how can I make that myself at home, and this video is exactly about that. And it's a really easy process because what we're doing is we're using this Air Still in combination with this Bailey's Irish Cream Essence, and we've also got our new cream liqueur base as well. This is a fantastic product which is a substitute for adding actual cream. The beauty about it is it also gives you a very stable product in the final Baileys that you have. So you can put this on the shelf, it's not gonna go off. You're not gonna get milk curdling or cream curdling inside the bottle as well, which is kind of nice. And it also is super easy to mix up. Anyway, to shortcut the process, I've done this a neutral alcohol already. So what I've got is I've done essentially a standard spirit wash. If you want to see more about that, I've got another video on using the Polyphoenix to make clean neutral spirit. Might even do another simple one on how to use the Air Still in a very simple configuration like this down the track. But for the moment, to speed up this video, I've essentially done a stripping run, and I'm now taking my final cut. So I've got the 0.3mm insert on the output of the still head here, which is why it's dripping so slowly, but it also means I've got a very, very high purity. So the spirit that's coming out into this collection container is around about 95% ABV, so really, really clean. And I'm able to get there because of that small 0.3mm insert, but also because I've got the column packed with the stainless steel SPP packing, which is kind of like our premium packing. So that's gonna give me a real great neutral base. So in a few moments, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna water that spirit down and add these ingredients here, and we will mix up the Baileys and see how it tastes. So what I've done is I've got my 94.9 or 95% ABV neutral spirit. I've put some in this bottle to make a 40% ABV spirit here. So this is 530 mils of the neutral spirit. You could use vodka as well at this stage if you wanted to, but obviously I've made this myself. What I'm gonna do is pour this into the jug. Now, I'm gonna use a jug because I find the digital scales really accurate and easy way to get all my measurements right. Look, you could use like just any type of a jug with the measuring graduations on the side, but I'm just gonna pour this in there like that. There we go. Next, what I'm gonna do is add the powdered base. So you're gonna chop that open like so, pour that in, and in she goes. Now, the next thing to do is add this one here, the Impressence Irish Cream. I'll cut that open and in she goes. Now, all I have to do is stir out the lumps and then top it up to 1.25 liters if you're using a jug, or you can just use the scales and top it up to 1.25 kilograms. But look, I'm gonna stir the lumps out faster. I find it is easy to get the lumps out when it's at a higher concentration. You can sort of get the lumps out. Now, I will say, if you want a little bit of a shortcut, the other thing you can do is also get like one of those kitchen mixers, like a bar mix or something like that, and that makes it a little faster to get the lumps out and also get this all homogeneous and dissolve this, powdered creamer base. Okay, all those lumps are mixed out of that liquid now, so I'm gonna top it up with some good old-fashioned water. I use filtered water if I can, but look, if you're in some parts of Australia where tap water is good, just do that and top it up to the 1.25 liter mark. So just a touch more. Whoop. There we go, spot on. Well, how easy is that? I've literally mixed up these ingredients in about 60 seconds and made myself my own sort of homebrewed version of Bailey's. And for the final test, that just tastes amazing, super creamy. We've actually done a video on a blind tasting of this product and put it up against the Aldi Baileys, the actual branded Baileys, and review the three of them. So you can see that video in the links below. If you've got any other questions or want to try any of the other products we sell, definitely put them in the comments below. You can always make a request, or got any questions, we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Or if you've tried this product and you've got your own comments or got a different way of making it, we'd love to hear from you. So once again, in the comments so everybody else can see them and you can share that information. Anyway, thanks for that and see you guys next time. Bye.